Yo, Josh, yo. Welcome to 2018. This is my brand new channel, and to kick it off, we are transforming my bedroom into a YouTube studio. I live in Los Angeles, rents are pretty high. I don't really need a lot, so I figured I could just get away with transforming my bedroom into a YouTube studio. We'll see. I'll let you know what the fiance says. First up, we're getting rid of this bed. I sold my bed to a chick on Craigslist for $100 and I got this Ferrari red pull-out couch for $80. Please, 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 please. Yeah! Oh boy. I made a mistake. Yeah, hey Joe, do you sell mattress foam? Like a mattress topper? Yes! Do you think the fiance will even notice? What's next? What's next is paper. What's better to look at, this or this? Paper can be used to hide your personal stuff so that you can shoot professional products, interviews, or whatever. I got a 9-foot roll of paper for $50 from a local photography place. And then to make it super easy, I just mounted it to my ceiling. That way I can just roll it up when I need it and unroll it when I'm not using it. They come in many colors. You're probably only gonna need white, black, or green. I just got white and black because I don't really do green screen. Paper or vinyl is gonna be significantly better than muslin cloth. You have to build a frame to stretch around it. It's a good option for portability, but then it's like, do you wanna build a frame? And let's talk sound. I live on a busy street. In addition to having a good mic, I'm gonna need something to dampen the outside ambient noise. Now, we can get sound panels, but they're like still $300–400. Walmart now has sound tiles, which are cheaper, but I got something that I think will work just as good. Going to Home Depot, it's raining. It rains in California. That's bizarre. Home Depot has 1-inch R-Tech insulating foam board. It's made to insulate homes, but perfect for absorbing sound. This is totally gonna fit. There's just not gonna be any room for my head. Not the best setup. Who needs to recline anyway? Look at that phenomenal sunset behind us. Amazing. All right, now that the board is cut to size, all we need to do is get some more foam. Yeah, hey Joe, it's Josh again. Do you guys have any egg crate foam? The stuff that kind of looks like acoustic paneling. So I need 2 sheets, 4x8 will work, that's fine. This is so much cheaper than buying square panels, and I think, yeah, I think it works the same. So it's very important these guys line up. If they don't line up perfectly, then it's gonna look funny on the wall, and then I'm gonna be pissed. And then I'm gonna redo it. Does that look straight to you? It looks like hot glue gun is not gonna work on this. It's melting the frickin' foam. It chewed a big old divot out of there. High strength 90 contact. I'm guessing this is the stuff we want. So it's not 100% secure in there, but a little bit of Velcro will keep it up in place. So you can build in your own like sound studio. But then if you need like a V-flat or a reflector, you have this built in. So now I can just use one light and use this as my fill, and we're good to go. So check this out, I got a couple of these extra things, and I think I'm gonna throw them up in the ceiling and put some of my light stands upside down. That way I have a permanent light stand that's out of the way. Yeah, that'll totally work for unboxings. I think that's it. I got one other thing to show you guys. It's not necessary, but I picked it up last week and I thought it was a huge win. Drugs of any kind do not go in these lockers. Dude, I got these for 80 bucks from some high school. I was thinking of like putting some LEDs in there, painting it with some metallic reactive paint. So if I end up doing that, I'll do an episode. This will hold all of my camera gear, my lenses, cables, hard drive, all that good stuff. Like, I don't want to display them on the shelves and shit. I'd rather just stick them in there. So that's the studio. Who made all this mess? You guys don't need all this stuff for YouTube Studio. You only need a camera and a good personality. Everything else is just filler. If you guys haven't already subscribed, please do so. I got some exciting videos coming out. This is Joshio saying thank you very much. Stay creative. Go make some art.